Hello, my name is Savan, and I am again here in front of you of my day 12 challenge, spoken English communication challenge through ChatGPT. So, today was the 12th day. Yeah, yesterday I was not able to upload the video because I was felt tired. I was frustrated with all that thing in the late night when all the people uh, slept, but I alone was awaking, and I felt alone at that time. So I also slept, but I think I did a mistake and I skip a day is not a good thing. It's not also a bad thing, but if I want to improve my English communication and my speaking skills, I have to be consistent with it because only consistency will improve all that thing that I want, that what I want. Okay, so in the speaking challenge, I uh, add some new idea that I have to focus on it. So yesterday I ordered a book online, that is the Harry Potter. Everyone knows about it. So what I decided that every day I have to read this book, even only one page daily as it possible, because I have to understand the grammars, the sentence structure, because when I understand the what kind of sentence structure are formed and how they uh, made and in what context we are used all these structures, it will help us to in the it will helps us in the formation of the structure that we are used in our speaking, and all that things that I want to express clearly, fluently, and only I think only not ChatGPT will help about it, but yeah, the thing that the already English native speakers, yeah, English native writers wrote, it will also help us. We can use other different thing, but I use a novel because and Harry Potter because it's an interesting thing. It's a kind of adventure, and also there are kind of people like us who are communicate with each other. They are talking to each other. They share each other their thoughts, and even it kind of a real and emotional thing will with that all that characters in that book, in that novel have, they have their own ideas and thoughts. Okay, they are not the ideas, but they are the speaking way, how to speak a different kind of word or different kind of expression in the different kind of tone. Okay, so as in the Hindi we know that if we have to say any kind of thing, we use a kind of emotion, we use a kind of expression in our in our communication, through which we can easily communicate with other, easily navigate with other, easily understanding that which kind of in what way we are expressing our thought. Okay, as we all know that we are not the native speaker, so that's why we are not able to express our thought in English, because we don't know how to express it and how to feel it. It's very difficult because we don't know about it. In Hindi we can understand if someone say any kind of thing, we are able to categorize it as ki that person told me in a anger mood, in a happy mood, or in a despair mood, any kind of thing that these people, we can understand easily and we are able to categorize it. But when we are using English, we are not able to do that thing. Okay, so from today I read daily Harry Potter, even one page as possible as, but I never break one single day because I know if I will consistent with it, I'm sure I'm able to communicate easily and I'm able to speak in English correctly. Okay, so that's all from my side, and as we will meet soon. Bye.